I think at times you would be pretty adrenaline struck, but I found it quite exciting. And looking back at times, you think, well, it was a bit more than exciting. Peter Crebban was the coxswain this particular day. We were down by the calf between just off the borough, which is the piece that sticks out on this side, and the boat went over, and I was at the radio on the starboard side, and the glass went black, and the boat was lying on its side, but couldn't go over any further, and two on top. One of them was one of the crew called Steve Franks, and he said we had our feet up on the glass at the top, but the lightkeepers thought we'd gone over on the calf, but we in actual fact she just went over. And the beauty of that particular boat at the RN 5406, it was 54 feet long, number 6, it was a superb boat. It went over quickly, came back quickly, whereas the ones that go over slowly and come back slowly are positively dangerous, I would say.